We are going to talk in detail about the various types of procedures that are available to get rid of your spectacles. So first we'll talk about the cornea based procedures. The first procedure is known as surface ablation or PRK. Now, surface ablation basically means that the laser is directly applied to the top of the cornea. This can be done using various technologies. Some are done with a no-touch technique by removing the topmost layer with alcohol and then using the laser. This technique is usually preferred in lower to moderate myopia or in thinner corneas, and it has a lot of advantages, but one of the disadvantages of this technique is there may be pain for about 24 hours after the surgery, but it is very safe. This is also the ideal procedure for those people opting for the army or navy because there's no flap, there is no visible change in your cornea after the surgery. The next surgery that is done on the cornea is a procedure called LASIK. LASIK can be done either by creating a flap using a blade or by creating a flap using a femto laser. Once this flap is made, the flap in the cornea is lifted up, and using an excimer laser, the number is burnt off based on the shape, size and your refractive power. This is also a relatively very safe procedure. The disadvantage of this procedure is that there is a flap, so there should be no eye rubbing after the surgery, and because the flap is created, there may be a little more dryness in these patients, but usually all patients go back to normal within 3 months. The last type of procedure that is done on the cornea to remove glasses is the LALEX or the lenticule assisted laser. So these are available with various companies known as Smile, Silk, Smile Pro. You do have to have an adequately thick cornea in order to do the surgery, and the dissection of the surgery is slightly more technical, so your surgeon should know what they're doing and be experienced. And there is no flap, so this is a very safe procedure in patients who are eye rubbers. Quick turnover of vision, so the patients do very well immediately, and the pain is actually minimal. So whatever is ideal for you and your eye will be recommended to you.